In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the battery in your Kia Rio key fob. If you have a Rio that was made between 2011 and 2014, you most likely have this particular device, which takes one CR2032 battery to run. It's really easy to change your battery, just follow along. The first step is to hold this button down while you pull out the internal key. Set that to the side. Now you can see the keyhole and then a longer indentation right here. We're going to put a flathead screwdriver or a coin, something that can fit into this area and allow us to twist, opening up or separating the two halves of the device. Now you can just pull it apart with your fingers. You can also continue twisting through that opening until it comes free. You can set this to the side now. And we're just going to come in on the side here and kind of pry the battery out like that. Just be gentle, it'll come flying out. Don't want to scratch anything, just take your time. And when you get your old 2032 battery out, take a fresh one, make sure this positive side goes face down. And you will position it in place towards this metal component before pushing in the top, or it's not going to go in quite right. So bottom in place, click the top in, and you're really done now. You just have to click the two pieces back together and put your key back in. That's all it takes. I hope this helped you out, and if it did, you can let us know in the comment section or by giving us a like. And if you ever need to change another battery in your key fob for any maker model, key fob from any maker model, go ahead and check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.